Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can add you to groups on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the settings button down below the right side corner of the screen, and then here you should scroll down to privacy, click on groups, which is the fourth option. Here you have three options you can choose from: who can add me to groups, everyone, my contacts, or my contacts except, and then you should select a particular people or a particular person that you want to exclude from this ability to add you to groups. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.